In this tutorial, we'll show you how to clip a raster image. And this raster image that we have is actually a DEM, and DEMs can often be very intensive in data size. So we would like to clip it so we're only using the features of interest. So what you can see that I've done here is I've highlighted the Washington cell. So I've gone into the attribute table under my states and highlighted Washington. Next thing I'm going to do is go into ArcToolbox. I'll show where we're at here. Under the data management tools, go into there, and then there's a raster subheading, and then we're going to go into raster processing and double click clip here. I'm going to put in just the raster that I have, and then the output extent I want to put in the states, and since that's highlighted, it'll give us just the area around the states there. Click OK. You can see this is going to give us a rectangle rather than just the image itself, but it'll limit the amount of data that's being used on it. So that will give us the new raster image. And if I hide the old one, you'll see that the new one that we have here does a black and white rather than the old. There's a default setting for how that comes in, and so if you go back to properties, it's all under here. If we go to, it's been stretched, and it wasn't classified in the old one, so that's traditionally what we want to go back to. It gives a better depiction, and so you can choose from your various sets of data that are in here, and so we will go through and select just a simple one like this, hit apply and OK, and that will give you your raster image just for that. This is much easier, so now we have just a section of that raster image for the area of interest, which can be used in other areas.